Alrighty. Hold on. Anyway, you get the point, right? So he's riding a dirt bike. Chad on the dirt bike. We're not riding it on dirt though. It's made for dirt. What are you doing riding it on the road? It's not a road bike. It's not a gravel bike. Not a grass bike. Hey, my name's Brantley. I'm gonna get you. Yeah. Hey, let me come around. Zip it. I'm gonna get you. Bing, bing. Woo! Close one. Oh my goodness, we got Godzilla on there. Look, Godzilla. This thing was just flying by the house, so I was like, that's cool. I better go look at it. I better come back here and watch the kids. Yeah, I know a way to get Pearl to come over here by me. Just fly the drone over here by me. There we go. Come here, little baby. How are you? Daddy's girl? Yeah. I love you. Zoom, zoom. Hey, where'd you go? Get back here. There you are. Ooh, nice. You're a skilled pilot, huh? You think you're working on your skills? Think you're getting better at droning, huh? Okay. Yeah, the drone's actually out right now because I broke it again. Yeah, me and David broke it at my mom's. Well, he didn't break it. I broke it. I flew it into a tree. It fell from far up. And sometimes it recovers itself. Like it knows it got hit and it's like in recovery mode. It's like zzz, all the blades are spinning. It's trying to take off. But not this time. It got caught up and it free falled without trying to save itself. And nothing was broke on it except the camera. So when I picked up the drone, the camera was dangling from it. There, now it's a dirt bike. Whoa, all right. Sweet. Dirt bike. All right, y'all, that about wraps it up. Don't forget to. Y'all know what that means.